Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Go ahead and log in using your Google credentials to access your account. This ensures you're connected to all your Google services and can make changes to your profile information. Once you're logged in and can see your chat interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Google account from one central location. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option that says Manage your Google account. This will redirect you to a new page where you can access all your Google account settings. This centralized dashboard is where you control everything from security settings to personal information, making it easy to keep your profile up to date. Now that you're on your Google account management page, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various categories. Click on Personal Info from this menu. This section contains all your profile details, including your name, birthday, contact information, and other personal data that Google stores about you. Within the Personal Info section, locate and click on Name. This is where Google stores your display name that appears across all Google services, including Chat, Gmail, Drive, and more. Changing it here will update how others see you throughout the entire Google ecosystem. After clicking on Name, you'll see your current name displayed. Click directly on your name to open the editing interface. This action will bring up editable fields where you can modify how your name appears. Now you'll see the first name and last name fields become active and ready for editing. Each field is clearly labeled, making it easy to understand what goes where. Simply click into either field and change your name to whatever you prefer. You can update your first name, last name, or both depending on your needs. Once you've entered your preferred name in both fields, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply your changes. Google will process your request and update your name across all its services, which typically happens within a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Google Chat and across all your Google services. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.